Welcome to the official media channel of the Igbo Community of Wales. Behind the scenes, Igbo Community Preparations. A fascinating glimpse behind the curtain of the Igbo Community of Wales' vibrant events is offered. The dedication and collaborative spirit involved in bringing these cultural celebrations to life are revealed. Intriguing question. Ever wondered what goes into creating a spectacular cultural event? We're taking you behind the scenes with the Igbo Community of Wales, revealing the immense dedication and collaborative spirit that brings their vibrant celebrations to life. Prepare to be amazed by the unseen efforts. Emotional connection/relatability. Feel the pulse of community and tradition as we pull back the curtain on the Igbo Community of Wales' incredible events. Witness the passion, the hard work, and the unbreakable bonds that unite them in preparing for their vibrant cultural celebrations. This isn't just an event, it's a testament to heritage. Direct, action-oriented. Get ready for exclusive access. We're diving deep into the intricate preparations behind the Igbo Community of Wales' most vibrant events. See firsthand the dedication, the teamwork, and the secrets to bringing these powerful cultural celebrations to life. You won't believe the effort involved. Behind the scenes, Igbo Community Preparations. The call to action, unveiling the community's heart. Dynamic montage of past vibrant Igbo community events, teasing the energy. Voiceover intro, ever wondered what goes into creating magic like this? Today, we take you behind the scenes. Introduce the specific upcoming event, e.g., Igbo Cultural Festival 2025, and its significance. The blueprint, from idea to execution. Interviews with key organizers, e.g., chairperson, event coordinator, discussing initial planning meetings. Showcase brainstorming sessions, mood boards, costume sketches, proposed activities. Highlight the critical role of committees, food, entertainment, logistics, and outreach. Hands-on, the collaborative spirit at work. Footage of volunteers actively involved in various tasks, cooking traditional dishes, decorating the venue, rehearsing performances. Sound bites from diverse community members expressing their excitement and dedication. Demonstrate specific skill sharing, someone teaching traditional dance steps, another explaining intricate fabric patterns. Overcoming hurdles, the unseen challenges. Briefly touch upon unexpected challenges, e.g., last-minute venue changes, weather concerns, material sourcing, and how they are addressed. Showcase the problem-solving process, quick hurdles, adapting plans, and collective resilience. Emphasize the positive outcome of collaborative effort in overcoming obstacles. The anticipation, a glimpse of the grand finale. Final walkthrough of the partially set-up venue, building excitement. Tease key performances or highlights of the upcoming event, without giving everything away. Call to action, encourage viewers to attend the event, provide dates/details, or engage with the Igbo Community of Wales online. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. For more information about the Igbo Community of Wales, please visit our website and follow us on social media. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Together, we celebrate our heritage, build stronger communities, and contribute positively to Welsh society. Igbo Community of Wales, together, unity, and one voice.